Pre, ayusin ko na talaga.
Hindi naman nakakita. Hmm,
Okay, pre, game.
game. So tell me yourself.
My name is Mark Robert Clemente, and I'm currently a student at Dr. Young's Colleges Incorporated, taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I consider myself a dedicated and fast learner, especially when it comes to technology and hands-on tasks. I've been involved in school activities and projects that help me develop skills in communication, teamwork, and problem solving. I am eager to apply my knowledge in a real world environment and grow professionally.
Okay. So why did you choose your school and what is your major?
I chose Dr. Yanga's Colleges Incorporated because it is known for providing quality education and practical learning, especially in the field of IT. The school offers strong training, hands-on projects, and a supportive learning environment that helps prepare students for real-life careers. My major is Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and I chose it because I enjoy working with technology, solving problems, and creating solutions that can help people and improve systems.
So what do you know about our company?
I understand that your company is committed to providing high quality services, products, and has built a strong reputation for professionalism, growth, and customer satisfaction. I appreciate that your company values innovation, teamwork, and continuous improvement. I also learned that you provide opportunities for career development, which is something I'm looking for as I start my professional journey.
Why did you apply for this job?
I applied for this job because I believe it aligns with my interests, skills, and career goals. I want to gain hands on experience and learn from professionals in the industry. I am eager to contribute my abilities while also improving and growing. I believe this position will help me build a strong foundation for my future career.
How well do you work in teams?
I work very well in team. I believe that teamwork brings different strengths and ideas together, which help achieve better results. For example, in school, I worked on several group projects where communication, cooperation, and time management were important. I am adaptable, respectful, and open to other people's idea, and I make sure the team stays focused on our goals. That's all. Thank you.
Okay.
Yun.